Assalamualaikum, hope that you all are well. Welcome back after a long time. In this video, we are going to learn how to add routes in my QGIS map in study area. For that, first of all, you have to open the QGIS app. Okay, I have opened. Then I have to extract the study area map from the OpenStreetMap. For that, I will go to Open Data Source Manager. I will then go to OpenStreetMap. Here you see this is the OpenStreetMap. Now I will zoom out and focus on my study area. You see here my study area is Madhupur National Park. Here you see this is the Madhupur National Park. Now I have to extract this area, this national park area. For that I would go to Quick Ozone. Just open the Quick Ozone. Then go to Quick Query. Here you see two fields, key and value. In key I have to provide boundary. You can select it from here, and then value is protected area as national park is in protected area. I have to select protected area. Then we see here another field. You have to select here canvas extent, then click on run query. Yeah, arrow. This one is my national park area, my study area already extracted. You can change the color. If you right click on boundary layer and go to properties, select the color you want to apply. Here I will select gradient green, click on apply, then OK. You see change the color. Okay, now I will add route in my study area. Route can be several types, highway or tertiary roads for local transportation, several types. Okay, here I will just two types of route wheel marked. First one is highway and the second one is tertiary. And there are several types routes. You can add it from the Quick Ozone easily. Let's go to the Quick Ozone. Quick Query. In key you have to select highway. This is the highway, and in value you have to select trunk for highway, the roads highway which connects to city. In this map the route will be marked. It's connect Dhaka with Moymensingham or Tangal with Moymensingham. Here you see this is the Dhaka Tangal highway which go through the this is the Dhaka Moymensingham highway which go through the Tangal. Okay, this one is the highway. I want to change the color and make it more bold. White, increase. Okay, then color I will mark as red. Apply, then okay. Yeah, this is the Dhaka Moymensingham highway. Is go through the Tangal, and this Madhupur National Park is located in Tangal, Madhupur. Okay, this is the highway. Then I will go for tertiary roads. Go to Quick Ozone, Quick Query. Then in key select highway. Just wait, I'm finding the highway. Yeah, fine. This is highway, and here you have to select tertiary. In this field you have to select canvas extent, then run query. Yeah, these are the tertiary routes. You see, tertiary routes means local transportation route. This yellow marks are the tertiary routes. Okay, you see all routes in the campus are marked, all tertiary routes in my canvas or in my display marked. So I have to remove the outside of study area. I can do it easily. Already you may be seen in my previous video. Let's see in this video also. To remove fruit outside of my study area, I have to go to vector, then geoprocessing tool, clip. You have to select two layer, which one you want to remove outside of study area. The first one is highway and overlay layer is my boundary of protected area. Then just click on run. This one is highway tertiary, so the tertiary routes outside of my study area will be removed. I will click on run, then close. Here you see a new layer created named clipped, and if I see this layer, this one is the clipped layer which is removed the tertiary roads outside of my study area. In this way I can easily remove the highway outside of my study area. For that I have to go to again vector, click on geoprocessing tool, clip, and in input layer you have to select highway trunk and overlay layer will be boundary of protected area. Now click on run. Yeah, a new layer is created. You see this one is the clipped layer for highway. Now you see all of the roads outside of my study area is removed. In this way you can easily mark the roads inside your study area. Hope you understand. If you want to change the color and white, go to properties, select color you want, like I will go with red, then increase the white, click on apply. Yeah, you see this is red and white increases. For this I will go to clipped properties. I will just change the color, make it blue, or sky blue. Okay, click on apply. Yeah, you see all the routes inside my study area I have clicked. Hope that you understand. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to get more video like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want to ask any question, please ask in the comment box. Thank you.